I know what you need. No, you need this. You need the latest gratitude journal, finding the goods in the day, finding the small joys. It's all about that in life, finding the little things that really truly matter. This is what you need. You need this book. This is the Willaroo official Happy Good of the Day journal for you. It's undated, easy to use, simple. Happy Good of the Day. Stick, draw, print in there. Do your self-care. See quotes by me. Come connecting with you. Things to remember. Willaroo. There is colouring sections. There's self-care. There is description at the front. And there is also full description, a story about why it's created. There's meaning behind this. It's not just a random gratitude, but there's meaning behind this book. And also, do not forget audio description. Is any of you struggling or want to hear the words rather than just read them? Audio description right here, and there's 3 sections, 2 of the written bits, and then 1 section, just a message from me to you. But to use that and to hear that, you've got to get the book.